Yo, so it's like it's 11 o'clock p.m., almost 11 o'clock p.m. and we're at the homestead, and in a few minutes we'll be going to Pagudpod. We're just waiting for Neil and Reg. They are getting ready upstairs, but over here behind me is Mark and JR going over the map over there.
Oh, you're videoing.
Yes. Oh,
hello there.
Reg is here.
And
hi.
My friend.
And look who's who, yay!
Hi, Benja!
Okay, let's check out outside.
I'll be there at 9 so we can go over here.
We have Jovan and
Hi! Teka, gulo naman ang hair ko.
kaya lang madilim, so wala din. So mamaya na lang, balik na lang ako dito. Oh wait, I can't fix it. Balik tayo dito. Okay, so next time you see me, we'll be on our way. So, bye!
Yung primera sigod na Tricera, mga ganun. Sa sarili na siya nag-up-down ng speed depending sa speed mo.
So,
Ito, ginagamit lang to if you want to, like if you're climbing a mountain, like sa papuntang Baguio. Ito yung ginagamit namin.
So, usually ito lang talagang dalawa?
Yes, ito dalawa lang. Kaya nga mas mabilis siya.
Shit! Ang dali! Ito lang dali.
Testing mo muna yung drive, parang
Sige, I'll try to go.
Paikot lang.
Okay, here's me and Jovan. They're testing the car.
Hi.
Ay, wala nang ilaw ulit. Bye!
Punta kang muna index.
So it's 6:30 and we've made it to Vegan. Here's our first stop at, not the much. We stop over here at Mark.
Uwi na tayo!
Really? Uwi na tayo? We just got here.
Sakit na ng katawan ko eh.
Kasi ikaw eh. Jovan says this place has the best CR.
Yes.
Daw. Ano yun? All stopovers. Parang na-disappoint naman ako. Diba?
Ano kaya yung difference sa babaeng CR na?
Baka mas malinis.
May may TV.
May couch.
Labo.
Ano mamaya? Kasi sa guys CR, hindi.
Oo nga eh. Are we getting food? Parang they got food.
Ayun pala eh.
Wow.
They got a lot of food.
What's that?
What's that?
What's that? Kasama? Bibingka.
Masarap. Bibingka nila.
Banana na ba natin?
Picture.
Ay, what?
Picture.
You want pictures with Neil over there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sige.
Sorry, at sinelas ako.
Tingin nga muna niyan. So we're here, we finally made it to Vegan. But we're not in the prettiest street yet, apparently.
No, there's more.
There's more. And there's Mark and JR over there. Figuring out the map. Zoom in a little bit. There. There they are. Back to me now. Oops. So I see the buildings behind me and Jovan taking photo right there.
Walk lang tayo o ano? Bring the car.
Vida Las Vegas, pag ganon. Sa pag ganon siya.
So we're wait.
Kung ano yung makita natin.
Nabukas.
So let's remember this place na
Gordon Hotel,
Casa
diba?
Caridad.
Teka lang famous last words yan eh. Paano kung yung makita nating bukas Jollibee?
Ha? Ewan ko sa'yo.
Ay, Gordon Hotel, di ba? Or check it out?
Let's go.
Saan yung maraming dots ba doon sa mapa mo? Para yun yung maraming ano. Dito?
Yeah, diretso lang.
Okay, so we're going this way.
Medyo nagsasebo pa utak ko.
Oh, I think we arrived at the nice street now. Behind me, there's a Kalesa. Saan na siya?
It's gonna run you down.
There.
Yan na.
Yun na.
Dayo pa kaya?
Sakay si Mang Ernie.
Sino?
Si Adonis.
Nick, alis ka na.
Bye!
Sup, bitches!
Siyempre, no, just gonna see Better view. Yeah. Forget.
Tingin ka sa side.
Shaky cam.
Uy, ang galing ng Lumix ha. In fairness.
To be far.
Umaalog siya. Uy,
Okay.
limang inasal.
Asan? Okay, so we're at vegan. This isn't the tour yet. We're just looking for a place to eat.
Anong chikahin nyo kami? Anong meron?
Mamaya po wala pa tayo sa historical kasi. May mga magandaan natin talaga.
Okay.
Kaya, adik lamang.
Hanap lang tayo ng
Ito
food.
pong lugar na tayo. Ito yung heritage. Heritage.
Bawal kasi baguhin ko lang.
Bawal lang, ha?
Baguhin yung ano, yung structure na.
Oo, bawal yan.
Ay, buti naman.
Kaya halos tayo yung itsura.
Tour na. Touring vegan now di Calasas. But,
Ako lang ito.
ikaw magdadrive.
Push!
Sige, arasan na. Ayun na sila. Andun na?
Pwede ko naman kasing hawakan, di ba?
O siya, pakikuha naman ako. Akit ako. Hi.
Bakit naka-ultra zoom naman ito? Ang laki
super ba?
ng mukha mo.
Na-zoom out mo na siya. Okay na. Okay.
Ayan.
Ay. Sorry.
Yahoo!
Here we go.
Anong smart yan, ang lubid. Hi, this is Vegan, and we're passing by Kakal, Erica, and some other stuff. You can see this in Vegan anytime.
And over at behind us is O'Neill and Company. Shaky. On our shaky cam. Because we're riding a shaky ride. So I'm gonna go stop this now.
Parang pinatong-patong yan eh. Yung ginamit daw, yung itlong puti.
Oo.
Dami, araw-araw na maraming nagpupunta dito.
Buti po kung pumasok.
Makita mo mo.
Let's go.
O, dyan, mag-picture kayo dyan, mag-umpisa. Parang mga gumawa tayo mamaya.
Wow, madilim ah.
Meron akong flashlight.
Meron?
At dito lang madilim.
Dito lang. O, sige.
Maliwanag dito sa taas.
Sobrang liwanag na.
Nice! Yung huy! Iwan huy!
Hindi ka mo may iwanan mo.
Pwede po po umakyat sa may,
Matatakotin ako.
sa may bell po
Huwag
mismo.
ka titingin sa baba para hindi ka mahilo.
Pwede po ba umakyat
Oo,
doon?
hanggang sa taas. Matatanan mo lahat.
Kaya mo?
Oh shit.
Ha? Sige.
Kinakabahan ako.
Ayaw ko sir parang hindi mauntog yolo nyo doon
I don't think I can.
Metro Vegan.
Where are we? Oh, view. Shit.
Mag-umpisa sila daw na mag-picture eh. Mamaya pagbaba tayo.
Can this is? Wow, look at that.
Ano nangyari kay Tita Jovan? Ha? She's what?
Sleepy?
Oh. Kasi tunulugan natin siya eh.
Ah,
Tapos dito, na,
Hindi makuha dito ka sir, dito ka parang hindi makuha yung sementeryo. Dito ka
Cemetery. Oh my god, cemetery nga.
Dito ka sa taas. Doon ka ma'am, doon ka para
Ganun marunong ako ng
dito
video,
ka, sir,
sabi
dito
niya.
ka. Parang hindi makuha.
Teka, tingnan natin ha.
Oo. Yung pagilid kinukuha mo.
Medyo kinakabahan ako sa tahay.
Doon sir, doon.
Ako yung binyang babae dun sa telenovela, tapos hinihintay ko yung aking,
Prince.
oo,
Yan, parang hindi makuha.
Ayan.
diba? Kunwari nagsisenti-senti ako dito, tapos may violin music.
Papahirapan na pa ako sa post.
Oo, no? Dusa ka.
All for the love of art at mountains.
Doon tayo na sa taas sir, parang kuhaan. Tapos malinaw.
Teka, lipat na ako ng tayo. So ako naman yung nasa harap ng kalesa. Look at Giovanni and JR right there. You can see them. It's Manong driver here. Beside me. Hi. Then we have the horsey. Horses, there you go. Diba? Ako masyado nangyayari dito.
Yung hidden garden.
Kaya dito na tayo ngayon sa Hidden Garden.
Nakatago.
There's something to discover. And si Jovan likes the shop behind us, Kikai. Food corner, right there, right there. Behind me, we have everybody. We have O'Neill. Let's see lang. Parang may nadidinig ako nagkakaraoke. Hindi.
No, Nick, it's not karaoke.
It's not.
No. That's just you.
Hi. So let's go explore the Hidden Garden. Over there.
Mahirapan pa nung hanapin.
Kasi it's hidden. We have pots, more pots. Apparently there's a coffee shop here, so I think I'd like some coffee. Some Colocos coffee. Okay, here we are. Ay, teka, may donation box sila. Right here.
Nagawa rin ako ng box para bigyan mo rin ako ng
Donation. Saan sila pumunta? There. Balik tayo dito pala. Uy, Celebrity Corners. Dapat may picture ako dyan pagkatapos.
Sandali. Picture nyo. Kailangan... Wait lang.
Parang ni isa sa mga to hindi ko kilala except for Gabby Concepcion.
Nandito doon eh.
Who that?
Boxing.
Person? Boxer. This is Gabby. And Pops, I think. Yeah, Pops Fernandez. Mamaya may picture na kami dyan. Let's go back to the garden. With JR.
Hello.
And Mark. Ano yan? If I take a video, it's not so hidden anymore.
Yeah.
People will know it exists. Here we go. There's a lot of flora going on here. Oh, look at that! This is nice.
Sino? Rudolph.
The red.
Rudolph.
What's this? It's an elephant?
Elephant na cook. Kasi dahil dun sa...
May chef sat siya. Okay. Sige, sabi mo eh.